Unraveling the meaning. The phrase, hit cover. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that might have caught your attention. Hit cover. This phrase isn't as straightforward as it seems, but don't worry, we'll unravel its meaning together. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into its two main components, hit and cover. Hit is a verb that can mean to strike or come into contact with something forcefully. Cover is a noun or verb that can mean to place something over or upon another thing to protect or conceal it. However, when these words come together as the phrase, hit cover, they create a meaning that goes beyond their individual definitions. In most contexts, hit cover is a phrase used in sports, particularly in baseball and cricket. It describes a scenario where a player strikes the ball and it goes towards the cover region of the field. The cover region is an area on the offside of the batsman, between point and mid-off. Example, the batsman managed to hit cover, sending the ball racing away from the fielders. However, it's important to note that this phrase is quite specific and might not be commonly used in everyday English conversations. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. The player practiced tirelessly to hit cover more consistently during the match. 2. Hitting cover requires a good understanding of the ball's movement and impeccable timing. 3. The coach was impressed when the young player managed to hit cover effortlessly. And there you have it. You've just uncovered the meaning behind the phrase, hit cover. Remember, language is full of surprises, and phrases like these make learning English an exciting adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to make great progress. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.